Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start quick mapping on your ECOVACS X1 Turbo robot. So once you are connected with the app, you'll have the option to click on Start Quick Mapping. Before you do that, make sure that your floor doesn't have any cables on it or anything that your robot can get stuck on. And once your floor is clear, you can click on Start Quick Mapping. Then your robot will start mapping. And you can see that it's already scanned. It was really quick. Of course, after this quick mapping, it's not fully mapped. So it will just give you an idea of how your room looks like. Then it will map better after it cleans for the first time. So it will improve the map. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.